How to earn from TikTok. TikTok isn't just for fun. It's a platform where creators can earn real money. Let's explore the easiest ways to monetize your TikTok account. So, the Creator Rewards program pays you based on watch time and engagement. So, to qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Verified creators can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly, such as this creator. Brands pay creators to promote products. Rates vary from $100 to over $1,000 per post, depending on your niche and audience size. Even micro influencers are in demand for authentic engagement. With TikTok Shop, you can share product links and earn commissions, usually about 5 to 20% per sale. This works especially well for fashion, tech, and wellness niches. Go live and receive gifts from followers. These gifts convert into real money. Active streamers can earn 50 to $500 or more each month. Sell your own merchandise or digital products directly through TikTok Shop. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, educators, and lifestyle creators. TikTok occasionally offers referral bonuses for inviting new users. While smaller compared to other methods, it's an easy way to earn extra cash. And that is how to earn from TikTok.